show you what I've been up to for the past 2 weeks in lieu of a live show. Drill press, you already know I got that. Router and table are the next video. And I picked up this little guy yesterday. So table saw to cut manageable lengths, then put them into the miter, put a rip in them, drill all the holes, cut them to length, sand them all down, stain them. Actually, sand the sticks of lumber before I do any damn thing. So yeah. Is that vertical? Okay, we'll go horizontal. Ta-da! I'm taking it seriously. I'm gonna go talk to a stamp shop here in town so I can stamp my product. Yay. So that's what I've been up to. That's why I haven't been fucking screaming under the computer live for whatever. Bye. I'm no good at these.